Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are having an amazing day. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different Christmas nail art designs that you totally need to try because they are just so cute. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. I am going to be creating a 3D ornament. So for this first nail design idea, I am starting out with this Born Pretty Nude Jelly Gel Polish as the base color. I am then taking a top coat. You could also use a nail glue, and I'm just kind of putting that in the middle of the nail, kind of trying to create a circular shape, but it doesn't really have to be perfect. This is the moment I realized that I have already made a mistake. So what I should have done is, after curing the base color, I should have wiped off the sticky layer with acetone alcohol or buffed it, or you could even put a matte top coat over it so that the glitter doesn't stick to the other areas that you don't want it to stick to. It would have just stuck to the area that you put the top coat on. And that is my mistake, so I should have done that. So if you are going to do this nail design, I definitely recommend doing that. So what I just had to do is just kind of scooch the glitter into the place that I wanted and kind of wipe off the excess glitter with acetone, and it took a really long time. I also took my tweezers and just kind of placed pieces of glitter where it was bare and just needed a little bit more glitter. So once you have the glitter exactly how you want it to be, you're going to cure it. And this just makes it so the glitter stays in place when you are applying builder gel over it. So next I am taking some Emily Builder Gel, and this is just what is going to make it 3D. So I'm just kind of putting the Builder Gel only over the glitter area. After curing it, I am now filing it, and this is just to make sure that is completely smooth. So it is an optional step, but if you do feel like it is still kind of lumpy, then I would recommend filing it to make sure it's completely smooth, but it's totally up to you. To create the top of the ornament where it would hang from the tree, I am just taking some silver gel polish and placing that on my nail polish palette, and then just taking a brush, and I'm basically just going to create a rectangle on top of the ornament I just made with the glitter, and then just one line going up to the tip of the nail to just kind of make it look like it's hanging from something like an ornament would. For nail art design number 2, I am going to be painting a snowflake. So to start out this nail, I am taking this Born Pretty dark red gel polish and just applying that to the nail. For the snowflake, I'm using a white gel liner, and you're just going to start out with making an X on the nail. And then within that X, you'll make a cross, and you'll just kind of see here what I mean. Now I'm just cleaning up my lines with acetone and a lint-free brush. With a dotting tool, I'm just going to make a dot at the end of each line. Right below those dots on each of the lines, I am making a V shape. And to finish off the snowflake, I am once again getting my dotting tool and just making dots on each of the lines below the V shape that I just made. The next nail art design is a Christmas tree with a snowy landscape, and I am going to be showing you how to make the easiest Christmas tree ever. So first I am going to be making the snow. I am just taking my white gel liner again and making a wavy line, and then I'm going to be filling that in. For the base of the tree, I'm just using a brown gel polish and just making a little tiny square of where I want the tree to start. For the green part of the tree, you'll start at the stump and just make a line, and then after that you'll make a line above that line, but that line is going to be slightly shorter, and then you'll make another line above that line, and that line will be slightly shorter, and you're just going to keep on making the lines a little bit shorter until you get to the top where the line is going to be super short. This is definitely one of the easiest ways to paint a Christmas tree, and I really like it because it's super beginner friendly. And to finish off this nail, I'm just taking some sparkly gold gel polish and just putting a dot on top of the Christmas tree to represent the star, because I didn't want to attempt to draw an extremely small star, so I am just putting a little dot on top. For the fourth nail art design idea, I'm going to be showing you how to make a gingerbread house on your nails, and this one is definitely my favorite one out of all 5 of them. I'm starting with a brown gel polish as the base color. For the frosting, I am going to be using, once again, my white gel liner, and I'm basically just going to be doing a wavy French tip, if that makes sense. For the window, I'm just making a small triangle and then a cross within the triangle. To add some decoration on the roof, I am just taking the red gel liner and the green gel liner and my dotting tool and just making some dots on the roof to kind of just represent some sprinkles or candy. I'm going to be making a candy cane door, so I'm going to start out with the white gel polish and my dotting tool, and then just making the shape of a door, but still leaving some room in between each dot. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing with red gel polish and putting a red dot in between each white dot. Without curing it, I am taking a small thin brush and then just dragging the brush along the dots that I just created, and it kind of just creates a marbly effect, kind of looking like a candy cane. For the fifth and final nail art design idea, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas gift bow. The only thing I am using for this nail art design is this red gel liner, so I am starting out with making a line up the nail and then another line across the nail. Where these two lines intersect, that is where I'm going to be making the bow. And to be honest, I had a lot of trouble making this bow. I honestly thought it was going to be pretty easy, but I had to restart, like erase it with acetone and completely restart like at least 5 times. I could just not get the shape of the bow right. But what ended up helping me is I just thought about like a half heart, because I know how to paint hearts. So I just kind of thought about a half of a heart for the top of the bow. They also kind of look like bunny ears. So if you think about a shape that you know, it kind of makes it easier. I know it's not exactly the shape of half of a heart, but it's kind of similar, and that really helped me. The last part is way simpler. All you have to do is 2 curved lines attached to the other part of the bow that I just painted. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment down below which one was your favorite nail art design in this video. I'll have to say my favorite one is the gingerbread house. They are just so cute and it was so much fun to make. But anyways, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!